don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs. Welcome to my fans on TV. It's the pair to a premiership. Richards Bay 1, Kaizer Chiefs 0. I'm joined by China.
It's Njayam. Mangam. That this team, we have a problem, Lan. We compare Kaizer Chiefs with teams like Orlando Pirates, Mamelodi Sundowns. Those are the top teams currently. This team belongs to the top 9.
Yeah.
9, 10, 11, 12.
Yeah.
We're looking at peasants. Bottom half.
Yeah.
So not in the top 8. So this team is in the level of Golden Arrows. I still say that. Kaizer Chiefs won 8 matches so far.
Sure.
After 18 games.
Ooh.
And then Golden Arrows won 6.
Yeah.
Same WhatsApp group.
Yeah.
Kaizer Chiefs played 5 games.
Yeah.
Their last 5 games.
Yeah.
They conceded 10 goals.
Oh.
They scored 3.
Oh.
From Stellenbosch, Zamalek, Stellenbosch, Orlando Pirates, Richards Bay.
Oh.
They conceded 10 goals.
Oh.
And they only scored 3. Yekele lapho. The last 7 games of Kaizer Chiefs,
Sure.
they had the last 7 games.
Yeah.
Each and every game.
Yeah.
There's a new starting 11.
Change, right?
Change. You look at Mamelodi Sundowns.
Yeah.
You know that you will find Umkwena playing with Adams.
Yes.
You know you find Undamane playing with Ukekane.
Yes.
Go to Orlando Pirates. You know that you will find Umufukeng playing with Apolis.
Yes.
Kunombatha, kunoMakaula.
Yes.
There are combinations.
Yes.
You look at this team. Awuyazi ukuthi kwenzakalani. This week isibona uMakhathi edlala no Cross. Next week isibona uMabuya edlala no Ndlovu. That week sizobona Otigaro edlala nomunye umuntu.
Yeah.
Akunanto ehlanganayo. It's a disgrace. The reason why we're saying that yes, players nazo bekumele zenze better.
Sure.
But the reason why we're saying that the problem is the coaches is because of even the coaches themselves. They don't know what to do. Which team? Ngizokubalela lama team Sundowns. You know ukuthi what needs to happen. You know that 6 players will find there.
Yeah.
You know Orlando Pirates that you will find Usiyema noSibisi. You already know emove ukuthi kunobani kunoSipho Change 3 players. Yazi ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs yenze to show that to prove lento ngisho ukuthi ayina starting 11 kune competition ku Kaizer Chiefs. Ethi chaza ama player azodlala angakhona ku starting 11. Ikhona Kaizer Chiefs page. It mention players you think they will be in the starting 11 because of they're not sure. You can win yourself a t-shirt. That's how we are being embarrassed. Even the management itself, it knows that that's the only team that can create such a competition because of they don't know who will be in the starting 11. No, we need to guess the starting 11. They can't do that with Mamelodi Sundowns because of we know that we're gonna say that Williams is there. In Kaizer Chiefs, we have to guess the starting 11. There's a competition running for that thing. This is an embarrassment. That's the reason why we're saying that we need a coach.
No, these translation.
And another thing that has happened is that Kaizer Chiefs program has tended to be a marketing campaign. Kaizer Chiefs is no longer a team, Chibo. It's a marketing campaign.
Is it?
Yeah, that's the only team you'll find with selling body lotions. You go to Pick and Pay. There are body lotions, there are camp chairs, there's everything. That's the only team. So Kaizer Chiefs iqashe ngebhola Schipo. Ipusha marketing. They know well that kune fan base eningi. And abayazi ukuthi we don't have to go and recruit people because of bazathi ngane ka Schipo uzothi wena lapha endlini ngeze ungayifavor Chiefs ngane yami. Which is if ever ubaba unengane ezi5 then lo baba possible kule ngane zakhe ezi5 ziyofavor Chiefs because of ukuthi so Kaizer Chiefs is taking advantage yaleyo nto. Now they are focusing more push merchandise, push ama brands. Ucabanga ukuthi iphi team lotion. Ikona, go to Shoprite, go to YouSave. You will find such things. We are sick and tired of such. So they must tell us if ever they want to push this marketing thing yabo, nalama brand, nalama merchandise about pushayo, and then bayeki ball.
Or ba computer never.
Now exactly. Now ba computer nabo Vaseline. Bayeki lu computer ngebhola. Now bayeki li ball. iyafa i-team ngala baphusha ama-body lotion la. We are tired. I don't think we need to go to the stadiums anymore. Thank you.
Bengayikabi.